We have already discussed that Major Priya Jhingan was the first female Indian Army officer to be commissioned in Indian Army outside the medical services. But do you want to know who was the first female doctor to be commissioned as an Indian Army officer? The Indian Armed Forces have a long history of women serving in the medical branches. While pinpointing the absolute first female doctor commissioned in Indian Army might be historically difficult, especially considering the service during the British Indian era. However, a few individuals stand as key pioneers. A highly notable figure who paved the way for Indian women in medical services is Wing Commander Dr. Vijay Lakshmi Ramanan. She joined the Indian Army Medical Corps in 1955 under a short service commission. She was later seconded to the Indian Air Force in 1971 and became the first woman to be commissioned as an officer in Indian Air Force. She served as a surgeon in various military hospitals, provided medical care during the wars of 1962, 1966, and 1971 respectively. She was also awarded with Vishishta Seva Medal. Let us also discuss the first woman medical officer to achieve the highest ranks. The most famous early woman officer and doctor to achieve the highest military rank is Lieutenant General Punita Arora. She was the first woman to be promoted to the 3-star rank of a lieutenant general in Indian Army. She also holds the unique distinction of later moving to the Indian Navy and becoming the first woman to hold the rank of a vice admiral, again a 3-star rank in the Navy, making her the first woman to hold a 3-star rank in both Army and Navy.